conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so last class we discussed something like list and string, right? Okay, let me reconnect it. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay, so come to the string. String we have different kind of operations, and list we will be having different kind of operations. And then now we will see about the tuple. Okay, so let me go through the tuple now. Okay, how you can define tuple? How we can define tuple? Anyone? Hmm? How we can define tuple?
It is similar to list, but it won't
Okay.
allow duplicate.
No. Okay, so tuple is similar to the list, and it is also a series like index based. Okay, let me write down a few points about the tuple here. Let me write down few points about the tuple here. Okay, so tuple is also a collection. Tuple is also a collection of elements. Tuple is also a collection of elements. And one more important point: tuple starts with parenthesis, again ends with parenthesis. Tuple allow duplicates. Tuple allow duplicate values, duplicates. And one more important point: uh, tuple also index based. Tuple also index based. Tuple also index based. And one more important point: tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. It means what? What is the meaning of immutable? Append not work. Append not work. Okay. Insert not work. Insert method, append method, all these methods are not work. And pop method also not work. Delete method also not work. Or remove, delete or remove. Remove method also not work. So this kind of operations could not perform on tuple. That is the only difference between the list and tuple. So let me take care about the list also. Where is the list I started? Somewhere I started about the list, right? Okay, wait. Yeah, here I started about the list. Okay, for the list also I will write down the points. List is a collection of elements, and list starts with square braces, ends with the square braces, ends with the square braces. List allow duplicates. List is index based, and the list is mutable or immutable. List is
Mutable.
mutable or immutable.
Immutable.
No. Mutable. List is mutable.
Mutable.
Append, insert, pop, remove operations can perform. Operations can perform. Okay. List is actually flexible element. List is a collection of elements. List starts with the square braces, ends with the square braces. List allow duplicates. List is index based, and list is mutable. Append, insert, pop, remove operations can perform. But today we are discussing about the tuple. All these things are actually as usual. The one thing is starts with the parenthesis, that is okay, but tuple is immutable. Immutable means these kind of operations could not perform. That is the only difference between the list and tuple. Okay, this is what actually I want to tell you. Immutable. Okay, can I start with the list? Can I start with the tuple now?
Yes, Mohansh.
Right. Let me create a tuple. Okay. Tuple tuple one or tuple obj. Tuple one is equal to, I start with the numbers. Okay. 1 or 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So this is my tuple here. This is my tuple here. Okay. Let me get the type of the data, type of the object, type of the tuple one, type of the tuple one. Okay. What is the type of the tuple one? This is a tuple. Simple. This is the type of tuple. Why? Because of this starts with a parenthesis. Okay, let me have a duplicate value. 5 I'm making duplicate. 5 I'm making duplicate. So duplicates allowed. Duplicates allowing or not? Duplicate values I given. 5 and 5 I duplicates
Hello.
allowed. Allowed. Okay, that is fine. So duplicates allowed, and this is okay. This is okay. And index based. I said index based. Let me see this is actually accessing by the index or not. Okay, let me have the code. And this one tuple object, tuple one of 0, tuple one of 0, 0 to, yeah, let me get the 0. What is the 0th index value? 0th index value is 0 only. Okay, let me get the tuple one of 0 to 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means this is something like, in the first one is start index or starting index, and after the colon we are giving ending index minus 1. Ending index minus 1. Okay, how the values are going to be getting like, starting index I am giving 0, ending index I am giving 4, but it will give the values 0 to 3 only. 4 will not be included. Why? Because starting index colon ending index to ending index minus 1 actually. So whatever the value I am giving 4, but it will give 0 to 3 only. Can you see that? Can you see what is the values are coming? Starting index included. Starting index included 0, 0 to 0 to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. It means when I say 4, it is taking like 4 minus 1. Ending index minus 1 before the value will come. Okay, if I want to get the last index, how to get the last index? Or let me go with the tuple one of 0 to minus 2. 0 to minus 2. Here you can see where is the minus 2 available. Minus 1 is this, minus 2 is this, minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, minus 4 will come. So 4 will come. So let me execute it. Okay, 4 is also coming. I already told you 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 coming. I want to make reverse this tuple. How to make reverse tuple? Tuple of tell me how to make reverse this tuple. Double colon minus 1, double colon minus 1. All the values are okay. Sorry,
Colon.
sorry. Tuple 1. Tuple 1. So all the values are reversed. All the values are reversed. So in this way, you can perform different kind of operations on tuple. Okay, let me perform different kind of operations on tuple. I'm trying to performing operations on tuple. Okay, try to work with append. I told you append will not work. I told you append will not work. Okay, let me try to append some value for the tuple. Tuple one dot append. I'm trying to appending the value for the tuple like 10. I'm trying to appending the value for the tuple called 10. It is clearly saying that tuple object has no attribute like append. Tuple object has no attribute like append. Obviously, it will not work out. Obviously it will not work out. I told you insert also not possible. Tuple will not allow. Tuple will not allow. Tuple will not allow insert. Am I right? Okay, let me have the tuple. I'm trying to inserting 0th position. I want to insert the 10 value. At 0th position, I want to insert 10 value. It will take or not? Insert is possible for the tuple?
No.
No, right? No, right? Okay. Can you see this? Exactly, tuple object has no attribute like insert. I want to make it pop. I want to make it pop. Pop method. Okay. Pop not works. Pop will not work. Pop will not work for tuple. Okay. So I'm trying to let me have tuple one dot pop. Just call pop. Pop means the last object will be removed basically. In the list we performed it. In the list we performed it. I am trying to removing the last object, last value from the tuple. Okay, it will not work out. Attribute error. Tuple object has no attribute like pop. Let me try to delete a value like 5. Okay, delete operation. Delete or remove? Uh,
Remove.
Tuple will remove. Tuple will not perform remove operation. Remove operation. Okay, so same. Tuple 1 dot remove. I want to remove 5. I want to remove 5. Execute. Okay, tuple object has no attribute like remove. Now you may get understand what is the difference between the list and tuple. What is the difference between the list and tuple? Okay, one thing I want to do here. I will take a paint here. Okay. Okay, I just want to make the font size 16 and take the values here. Where is the list? Let me go to the list now. Okay, I'm taking the list here. Go to the paint, paste the values. This is about the list. This is about the list. Okay, so list 1 is equal to, you can create the operations like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, this is about the list. At the same time I want to take the tuple also. Okay. Tuple, where is the tuple? Yeah, these are the different kind of syntaxes for the tuple. Let me have the tuple here. Okay, so how the tuple starts with, when we want to go for the tuple 1 is equal to, you can create the tuple like this: 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, so this is the list and this is the tuple. The difference between the list and tuple you got to understand right now. The difference between the list and tuple you got to understand right now. And let me go to the one more object. What is the one more object? Set. This is the list, this is the tuple. Okay, if you want I will write down here: list tuple. Let me go to the one more object called set. Can I go to set now? Okay, so set.
Mohansh, one query.
Yes, please go ahead.
Uh, we have used colon -1 colon 0 like that, right? So what we call that? Is it a range or else a slicing?
It's a slicing, accessing
Slicing.
data. Yeah, it's a slicing.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we go with the set object. Okay, set have different kind of operations. Set have different kind of operations, and let me write down the things. Set starts with, set is unordered collection, unordered collection. But list and tuple are ordered collections. Ordered collections means index is going to be allowed. And set is unordered collection. There is no order here. Unordered collection. Okay. And set is starting. Set starts with, set starts with curly braces, ends with curly braces. And set will not allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicates. And one more thing. Set is mutable. Set is mutable with different kind of operations. With different kind of operations. With different kind of operations. I will tell you how the operations can perform. Okay. Set insertion. Insertion is not possible. Insertion is not possible. Why insertion is not possible? Why insertion is not possible for set? Because of set is unordered collection. There is no index. Set not followed index. Unordered collection, no index. No index based. No index based. Set is unordered collection, no index based. It means what? You cannot say index for the set. And when index is not available, how the insertion is possible, guys? When index is not available, insertion is possible or not? But set is mutable. Set is mutable. But set
Yes,
will not allow duplicates. Set is mutable with the
duplicate
different kind of operations like add and delete. Add and
allowed.
delete. And set insertion is not possible. Okay, let me try to write down the things. Okay, one by one. Set is a different kind of object. Okay, let me create a set one. Set one is equal to, I create a set like 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now finally, when you see the type of this, when you see the type of the set underscore one, what is the type of the object now? It's a set. It's a set. Let me print the set one. Print the set one. Print the values of set one. How many values are there when you are declaring? When you are declaring,
Four ones.
I given 1 4 times, I given 2 times, and 3 and 4 inequals. Okay, but here whenever I am executing it, I got only 1, only 2, only 3, only 4. It means, what it is saying? What it is saying? Duplicates not allowed. Duplicates not allowed. So when you have the requirement, like you are going to be checking the values, different values and all. Uh, when you want to send this data to the system, and we need to send only unique data, then keep the list objects into the set. Keep the list objects into the set. That's all. Then automatically only unique values will go to the server. Duplicates are getting removing there. Okay, this is the set one. Okay, for this set, I want to perform a different kind of operations. There is an operation called add. Add object for the set. Add object for set. Set one dot, set one dot add. Okay, add 5. Set one add 5. Where it is adding? We don't know where it is adding. We don't know where it is adding. There is no index. Somewhere it will go and add into the bucket. Set is like a bucket. You have some values in the bucket, and you are putting the one more object into the bucket. That object also keeping in the bucket. But whenever you are keeping the books in the rack, you're placing one after another. Means the index is going to be following the first. In the first row I am keeping this book, in the second row I am keeping this book, third row I am keeping this book. There is some order for the list and tuple. Set is not like that. Set is like a bucket. You're pouring the data, you're pouring the different objects into the bucket. Okay, so it is like that. It is not like order. Okay, so when I'm trying to adding the object for the set, the value is going to be adding or not, you can see that. Okay, value added or not?
Added.
Added. It means it is mutable. It is mutable. You can able to add the value. But tuple is not like that. Tuple not having any performance like appending, inserting, deleting, popping kind of things. Set is not like that. Set you can able to add values. Set you can able to add values. Then I want to access by the index. I want to access by set of one. Is this operation can perform? Is this operation can perform? Set one of zero. Anyone please tell. This kind of operation can perform on the set.
Yes.
How? How? There is
We,
no
we,
index. There is no
we
index, sir. Set not have index. I told you. No index based. Unordered collection. Unordered collection. No index based. If it is index based, I can able to access by the index. It is not index based.
understood.
It is not index based. Okay, execute it. Operation error. Set object has no subscriptables. Set object not subscriptables. It means it is not index based. Obviously, we can able to understand set one of 0. No. Set one of minus 1. Reverse index I'm talking about. Index is not there when you are actually saying the reverse index. No, not is possible. There is no index base. Nothing. Nothing. It is unordered collection. It is unordered collection. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let me access the set again. Set 1. Finally, this is my set 1. My set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to remove the 5. Yeah. Delete the 5. Set 1 dot remove or delete. I think here it is delete. Delete 5. From the set 1, I want to delete the 5.
We can.
Yes, this is we can. No, 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 no. I think it is remove. Yeah, remove. It is actually remove, not delete. Set 1 dot add you can do, remove you can do. Add you can do, remove you can do. See, adding object into the bucket, okay. Removing the object from the bucket, okay. But insertion is not possible. Why? Because set is not index based. Am I
What is
clear,
the
guys?
remove and delete?
Yeah, delete operation is available in the list. Pop delete. Pop delete. Here it is remove. Delete means you can delete from the list. Delete method which is available in the list. I hope in the list we seen previously.
Both meant
Uh,
for delete only, right?
no, 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 no. Both are deleting, but here the method name is changed. Here it is removing. Delete means deleting the index.
Okay, index based delete means.
The index based delete.
Okay.
Somewhere we have the operation like
Yeah,
delete.
yeah. Just like insert, delete also index based.
Yes, yes, correct. Somewhere append. Oh. Here also remove, I think so. But there is no delete. Here also remove. Here also remove. In the list also we have the remove operation. Yeah, here also remove operation. Sorry, my bad. Both are remove only. Add remove. Okay, so let me keep these things into the diagram. I hope you got to understand how the things are happening with. Let me have.
Mohansh, but list allows delete, right?
No, remove only. Pop and remove.
Okay, delete
Pop,
won't work.
delete, no, no delete. Pop and
Okay.
remove. Okay, this is, this is set, huh? Yeah, set. This is set. Okay. Now tell me how the list will be. How the list will be. How the list will be in the square braces. In the series.
Yes.
Okay. How tuple will be? Also
Correct.
series. Also series. Ordered collection. Ordered collection. This is ordered collection. This is also ordered collection. Ordered collection means what? Ordered collection means what? Index based.
Index based.
And tuple also ordered collection, index based. Ordered collection, index based. And this is using like this. And here it is using like this. But set is not like that. Set is kind of how I can say. Imagine this is a set. Imagine this is a set, which is using with the curly braces. Unordered collection. This is basically unordered collection. Unordered collection. This is something like unordered collection. Okay. Every value is unique here. It means, for example, one object is like this. Another object is something like this. Another object is something like this. Another object is something like this. Every object is not different. Every object is different, and it starts with what? It starts with what? Flower braces. Close with the flower braces. Unordered collection. But here it is ordered collection. Ordered collection. You can take a duplicate values also allowed, and values are okay. No problem. Getting my point? From this diagram, you can understand something about the list, tuple, and set. The differences between the list, tuple, and set. Am I clear? Can I go with the dictionary now?
Uh, Mohansh, but all these things will allow different data types, right? Inside,
No.
like
Yeah, yeah.
students.
Yes, yes. Different data types allowed. No problem. But mostly, whenever you are working with ordered collections, go with the similar data types.
Okay.
Okay. But no problem. All these data types are allowing different data type. If you want, I will show. Okay. For example, I want to see the employee information. Employee. The employee have ID like 1001, and she is having a name like Shivani, and she's age like 24, and she is getting salary like 56,000. This is the employee one information. What kind of data it is? What kind of data it is?
List.
Obviously.
Object object
No,
type.
no, 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 no. This is list starting with the square braces, ending with the square braces. The first object is integer, second object is string, third object is 24, and last object is floating type. Everything is allowed or not?
Allowed.
Yeah, so that's all. It is possible. It is possible.
Okay.
The same thing you can keep in the same thing you can keep in the tuple. Same thing you can keep in the tuple. Different data allowing or not. For your observing purpose, I'm giving like this.
Yes. Yes.
I'm taking the different data in a tuple. Yeah, working, no problem. The same data you can keep in the set also, na? Employee one is equal to, okay. This she is the employee one. क्या हुआ क्या हुआ?
And curved braces.
Okay, wait. I sorry. So I just want to access the set now. This is the set. This is the set. This is the tuple. This is the list. It is clear. no problem. Okay, but this kind of data, different data, when you have, you can go with the set. Okay, so when you have the series, for example, prices, debits, credits, number of employees, and employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, like that, that time you can go with the list and tuple. But when we have the different kind of data, something like a integer, floating type, string type, then better you can go with the set object. Okay, so later you can understand, but allowed, no problem, all these things are allowed. Is it clear, everyone? Till now, so far, what we discussed, everybody getting understand? Govinda Babu, Prakash, Ramya, Rohit, Sandeep Reddy, Sindhuja.
Yes, Mohansh.
Very good. Yes, very good. Let me go with one more thing called dictionary. So how the dictionary will be? So it's a different one. It's a different one. Okay. Uh, dict. Dict is collection of key value pairs. Dictionary is collection of key value pairs. And in dictionary, key and value separated with colon. Key and value separated with colon. Key can be any type, even value can be any type. Any type. Key can be any type. So you can take a key like integers, or you can take a key like floatings, or you can take a key like a string. You can take a key as a list. Everything is possible. Key can be any type and value can be any type. For example, let me have the dictionary now. And one more thing, dictionary is mutable, and dictionary duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate keys not allowed. And dictionary duplicate values can be allowed. Dictionary duplicate values can be allowed. Okay. For example, there is a classroom. 1001 ID, 1002, one more student ID. 1001 student ID name is Ramya, and 1002 also Ramya. 1001 ID Ramya, 1002 Ramya. Okay, possible. Two students have same names, but IDs are different, na? Two students are
Yes.
same name, but
Yes.
IDs are different. But 1001 Ramya, 1002, 1001 again Soumya. It is possible?
Not possible, sir, because ID is the same name.
ID could be unique. In the classroom, ID will be unique.
It's not possible.
1001 Ramya and 1001 Soumya not possible. But 1001 Ramya, 1002 Ramya. Is it possible? Yes, possible. ID different. That is the why reason I'm telling to you. Dictionary is mutable. Dictionary duplicate keys not allowed. Dictionary duplicate values can be allowed. Values can be allowed. I will show you. I will show you in the programmatic way how this dictionary is going to be working like. And one more point, important point I forgot. Dictionary starts with curly braces, ends with curly braces. Ends with curly braces. It should be like this. It should be like this. And one more important point I want to forget. Dictionary, every key value pair separated with comma. Every key value pair separated with comma. Comma separated key value pairs. Comma separated key value pairs are going to be available. Okay, so can I go? One more thing. If you want to access the value from the dictionary, dictionary values can be accessed by key name. And the dictionary, this is a bigger thing, huh? Dictionary, values can be added by key name. Dictionary, values can be deleted by key name. Everything is going to be operating by the key name only. For example, if I want to access the value, you call the key. If you want to add the value, give the key. By the key only you have to add the value. By the key only you have to delete the value. Okay. There is no insert operation in the dictionary. No insert. Why? Dictionary is not index based. Yes or no? This is key based. Am I right? These points are important points, sir. Remember, just one more time, go through all the points here. Whatever the points I'm writing here, just go through the points. The first point is what? Dictionary is collection of key value pairs.
Yes.
Key and value separated with colon symbol, double dot. Key can be any type, value can be any type. Dictionary is mutable. Dictionary duplicate keys not allowed. Duplicate values can be allowed. Dictionary ends with curly braces. Ends with curly braces. And every key value pair separated with comma. And values can be accessed by the key name. Values can be added by the key name. Please mute yourself, guys. I hope somebody mic on. When you are talking, then only you on the mic. Or some new person, Steven, added. Govinda Babu, Prakash, Ramya, Rohit, Sandeep Reddy, Sindhuja, Steven. Okay. Right. Tell me, Steven. Is your first day? Okay, please mute yourself. I already told you guys, you send your email IDs. How many people sent your email IDs? I don't know. Please send your email IDs in the chat box here. I want to share the notes, whatever the notes so far happening with. All the sessions are free and all the recorded sessions are uploading in the YouTube channel. You have to subscribe the YouTube channel and share with your friends also. Please share your email IDs in the chat box. I'll copy the chat and I'll share the notes for you. If you did not share your email ID, I cannot able to do anything. The notes available with Mohansh only. If you share your email ID, then I will share the Google Drive with you. Notes will be available. You can do practice with that. Okay, right. Let me go. I'll finish the dictionary here. Let me have the dictionary. Okay, so dictionary 1, dict 1 is equal to curly braces 1001 colon Mohansh 1002 colon Soumya 1003 colon Harish 1004 Ramya 1005 Sindhuja. Okay. Okay, fine. This is the dictionary. I want to get the type of this object. Dict 1. Getting the type of the data. What is the kind of the expected dictionary error?
1005 colon.
Thank you. Yeah. One more thing. Error. Soumya is expected after the dictionary key. 1003 Harish. Na? Everything is okay. This is the dict. Sir. Okay. Now I want to access the data. Okay, dict1 of 1001. Who is 1001? dict1 of 1001. Mohansh. I told you already, whenever you want to access the value, you have to give the key. You have to give the key. By the key only you can able to access the value. Okay. dict1 of keys. When I say keys, all the keys are actually presenting to you. All the keys are presenting to you by the array, by the list by tuple. And I want to get all the values from here. dict1 of values. dict1 of values. You can able to get the values from the dict1. And okay, accessing is this way. When you specify the key, then only you can able to get the value. Specify the key, get the value. Specify the key, get the value. Okay, let me add the one more object for this after this. I want to add the value. Okay, how to add the value for the dict1 of 1005 already available. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, now I can say 1006 is equal to, I want to give something like Srini. Now finally, sorry, dict1 dict underscore 1. Dict
Underscore.
underscore, right. Now finally you can get the dict1. Srini got added. Now add is possible or not?
Possible.
Possible. Okay, so let me have the remove the value. dict1 remove dict1 of remove who is I want to remove 1006. Then dict1 again. I think it is delete. Huh? Okay, one second. How to remove value from dict? There is a method which is going to be available. I forgot about it. It's something like pop. Okay, it may be something like pop. Okay, this may be something like pop. Okay, let me do that. Pop method. No. Something is wrong. DEL. Oh, sorry. DEL. You have to perform the DEL.
That is for entire dictionary, right?
No. DEL. Delete. Delete. You have to do. Delete dictionary and key. DEL dictionary and key. Okay. dict1.
This syntax is different than others, right?
Yes. This is a different syntax. Okay, it was happening. This is different syntax. You have to follow only this. Okay, again key error. 1006 is there, na?
We already removed.
Maybe. Okay, one second. I just want to check it out. Maybe pop worked. Yeah, it's already removed. Fine. It's already removed. Yes, these are the different kind of operations we will be having in the dictionary. Let me copy the things and go through the paint here. And I want to keep these also here. Not enough. Okay, anyway, you can try to understand this. Okay, let me keep in the another paint. Maybe it is not setting up. Okay, let me do one thing. I
You
will
can
save.
do you
I will.
can you
I
can
will
do
record.
zoom out and you
Wait,
can
wait.
insert.
Uh, let me do one thing. I will. Anyway I want to insert here only. Okay, I just make a
Once you can make
size.
100% to 90% and paste it in the
No, no,
bottom right.
no. Here,
Bottom, yeah.
okay, that is fine. Anyway, I just want to make the size less, then better font size.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This is the kind of dictionary. Dictionary. It is what actually collection of key value pairs. Key colon value, key colon value, key colon value. This is a different kind of object. This is a different kind of object. Yes, finally, we discussed about the strings and string methods, and we discussed about the list methods. We discussed about the tuple methods. We discussed about the set methods, and we discussed about the dictionary and dictionary methods. Please go through the practice. Please write down all the functions, write down all the methods, which are the methods are performing, and try to understand what is the major difference between the list and tuple, list and set, and tuple and set, tuple and list, and this dictionary is different. Okay, leave it. You have to understand the list to tuple set first. Why? Because these are different kind of objects. Dictionary is a unique object. This is a different kind of object. It is actually having a key value pair system. Key value pair system is completely different. But these three things you need to understand majorly. List, tuple, set. Dictionary is very important in the real time. Why? Because dictionary can able to handle the JSON data. Servers, when you people are web developers, when you people are data analyst, analytical persons, then these dictionaries are very important. Dictionaries are very important for the pandas, panel data, and even for the data science people. All these four are very important. Yesterday class and today class is very important for your further future learning courses like data science or machine learning, deep learning, or data analytics, and for your quantum computing. Wherever you go, these four objects are very important. Yesterday class and today class, listen n number of times, write down the proper notes, execute the things into your Jupyter, Google Collaboratory, and try to keep in the brain. I hope I given proper clarity on these four objects. Am I given proper clarity on these four objects?
Yes, Mohan.
Yeah. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends also. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go ahead and subscribe it, and share with your friends and friends groups also. This Mohan's providing all the programming knowledge free of cost. Okay, and very soon we are going to be starting a quantum computing and blockchain Python highly demanding in the market nowadays. And even I'm going to be starting data science and Gen AI course. That is also very huge in demand nowadays. Mohan's target is only the different ways. Mohan's target is only emerging technologies, job oriented technologies. So please like the video, share the video. I did not see comments, guys. You people, please go ahead with the comments for the videos in the YouTube. That is a better we grow. It will reach to other people actually. Okay. So thanks for understanding the session, and see you signing off. We'll meet
Mohan,
again.
two queries, don't mind.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Dictionary comes under ordered or unordered
It is not
collection.
ordered. It is not unordered. It is key based. That's it.
Okay, we call it as key based.
Key based. It's a key
Okay.
based collection. It's a key based collection.
Okay. And one more query is when we are like starting with the dictionary, we started with parentheses. But when we are trying to do delete, insert, or some other operations, it is giving like list and tuple.
Hmm.
So how we
Yeah,
can correlate when it comes
no.
with
That
what
that
we,
is that is only accessing part. Only when I say keys, that is coming with a different way. That is a collection of tuple and with the list of objects.
correct,
Tuple with
correct.
list of objects. That is only when access the keys, when access the values. But in other ways, your all operations are performing by the key only. You are adding the value by the key. You are deleting the value by the key. You are
I
accessing the
understood.
value by the key also.
Yeah, I'm talking about only the representation. When we access the dictionary, sometimes it is giving with combination of tuple and list.
No. That is only for two operations. Only when I ask only keys, only values. Here only.
Uh-huh.
Only keys, only values. Only keys, only values means it is thinking like, okay, I need to keep in the tuple and I need to keep in the list. That is a different syntax. This is a different syntax.
Okay,
First, it will hold the tuple and keep as a list. Tuple and list.
okay.
Only accessing the keys, only accessing the values. That is coming. But other ways, for example, if I want to access the values, like if I want to access the value Mohansh, I need to give the key only. Or if I want to add a value, I need to give the key only. By the
In the
key,
form of a list.
yeah.
Okay.
So fine. Uh, see you signing off. I have another session at 8 o'clock. We'll join at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Please join regularly. Sessions are very important. All the things are going to be happening. Important sessions. Okay. Some other people given the email IDs. If anybody not share your email IDs, please share with me. Bye for now. Have a good day. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel.